Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put two tables side by side in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put two tables side by side in this document. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table. Now we resize the table some small. Then click the tabletop and go back the home menu. Then click the copy option and click paste. Then move this table inside. Now we can see we put it two tables side by side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.